Okay, so this is the Maxi Cosi Coral XP infant car seat. So this is for babies up to 22 lbs. Since we have baby girl, I think it will work for us for 17-18 months. And it's really nice with a lot of new features. The first one is the base, which is in the car right now. It has this really nice stand, which gives extra protection, unlike any other base I have ever seen. Apart from that, everything else about the base is very similar to all the other high-end car seats. And the second main part is this one. This has a lot of features and it's very interesting and very nice features actually that we really like it. So I have installed and made everything back to the way it was when I got the car seat, and when I installed it. So I'm just also going to show you how to install the things on this car seat if it was not immediately obvious to you guys. So one thing is, you can see I have put this thing inside here. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to connect this handle inside here. Now once you put this, there is no easy way to remove it, so I could not show you that part since I've already used it a few times now. So it's already connected, so I cannot connect it, but the rest of the things I was able to remove, and I'm also going to show you all the things. So once you have this thing, once you have connected the canopy, you can see how this whole canopy comes and it covers like this whole place, and it locks here on the bottom. So it is really nice that way, right? So canopy is nice and you can see how it works. It's like very similar to other strollers, and this is how, by pressing this button here, this grey button here, you bring this thing up so that you can use it as a handle to, the way you want. Let's say you want to carry it, you can use this to carry if you want to. But that's not what I would recommend. What I would recommend you to carry this thing is this one. Let me put this back inside. Yeah. So you see, like normal carrier, you don't really have an easy way to you have to lug this whole big baby car seat around everywhere, which is very difficult, right? So they have this really new feature where you can separate the inner car seat from the main car seat, right? Like inner and outer car seat, which is really nice. So let me show you. Right, you can see this grey button here. You just need to push one side, either this one or that one. You can choose whichever one you are closer, right? Once you do that, you can see, you hear that click, right? You can just separate this, right? And now you can see if with the baby inside, you can lift it. I'm going to also show you with the baby, but you can see how easy it is. And since the main car seat is at the bottom, you don't need to lift the whole weight, unlike other car seats. So this is a really cool feature. Now let me also show you how to connect the shoulder strap. See, you can also carry on the shoulder. So my wife is petite, so she might this might still feel like a little bit heavier, but with the shoulder strap it's very easy because your shoulders can handle a lot of weight very easily. So with shoulder it feels really light. So what you want to do is, you see this shoulder strap here, you want to bring it over here. You want to, and you can see how I connected it. So it's connected now. In case it was not clear, press this button, connect it, make sure it is tightened like this, just for safety, right? It always locks in place, and then do the same thing in here on this side as well. Now note one thing, this soft side, right? The one which is smooth, that should be like this. So you want this to be on your shoulder so it's easy to carry. So now same thing over here, right? I am doing this. You can see I locked it. And now this thing is ready. Now you only need to connect it once, right? You don't need to remove it. I removed it to show you how to install it in case it was not clear. But once you have connected, you don't need to ever remove it, right? You can keep it this way. So which is really nice. And now all you can do is you can just carry it on your shoulder like this, right? Or you can also carry it like this. And this is stretchable, right? So depending with the weight of the baby, this will go down. It has a lot of features, and I'm going to show you with the baby now. Okay, so for this demonstration purpose, I'm going to put this back in. And you can see, you can hear that click, right? Now it is connected and you don't need to worry about anything, right? So this whole thing is now connected. Now you can choose to keep this. Now since I'm just moving it to this side because I want to put the baby in, and this is made comfortable right now, you can always find it inside depending on which side you are. Okay, now what you want to do is, you want to put the baby in, you need to make this loose, right? So you see this red strap here, you want to open it like this, and there is a button, you need to press the button. Press it properly, right? And you can see how this thing becomes loose. You can see this wire became loose, and I'm pulling the wire out. And now you can see what happened, this thing has become really loose, so you can put the baby in. Next, you are going to press this button, and you are going to pull it out. It's like a pull-on kind of strap. I don't know what right word for it, but yeah. Next, you are going to press this red button, and you are going to remove both these things. You can see it is pretty big, so you don't need to worry too much. Okay. You can see where I am putting this thing. You want to put this over here like this. And depending on the baby size, you can either select this one or this rod. It's up to you. Right? So for now, let me do this one first. I'm just selecting second size. Yep. So this is slightly bigger baby, right? So for demo purpose, I'm just making this one slightly bigger. Okay. You don't need to do this every time. Once you do it once, now you need to make sure that these straps are at the top, right? And move this thing on the side so that you can put the baby in without getting her hurt. So okay, so now I'm going to put her inside in here, right? You can see I'm removing the strap just to be careful. Awesome. Okay, and now I'm going to put these shoulder straps back on her top. Oh, this one is folded a bit. Okay, yep. Same is here as well. So these things are shoulder straps, right? So you want to make sure that they are at her shoulders so that she does not get hurt. Right? So you can see here. So you can see these are at her shoulders now. Obviously put both the hands in here. Right? And make sure our hands are in here. And then connect this thing. So you can see I have connected this. Now what you want to do is, you want to take this thing out here. Yep. And I want to put this inside here like this. Let me move her a bit up. And same with these straps here as well. Right? Okay, now what you want to do is, you don't want to move this strap up, right? First thing is you want to make this tight. So you can see how I'm pulling the straps, right? So I'm just pulling the straps in here. And once you have the straps, you want to pull this thing slightly up. Let me pull this a bit more. Yep, now it's much better. So now it's very tight and there is enough breathing space for one finger. So she is well set, and you can see she's not crying. Otherwise she would be crying, right? Babies usually cry. So yeah, your car seat is ready. Now what you want is, depending on how you want to take it, you can use this shoulder, these ones, right? You can lift her up like this, but it's heavy, right? When you're taking it a lot of places, it might helpful when you're taking her to the car or back, but normally we don't use this to carry. Let me put this back. Okay. So what you want to do is, instead, is click this here. Okay, so what you want to do is, you want to press this grey button here. What you want to do is, you want to press this grey button here and then lift her up. Right? Now you want to just put her on your shoulders like this, and that's it, it is ready. Now I'm going to take her outside because that way she won't cry much. You can see she's suddenly stopped crying because she is just bored now. But yeah, and you can see how easy it is to carry. you are not lugging around a big car seat. Just going into the shoulder. It's very easy. You can see she's quiet now. She was just bored. And you can see how easy it is to carry her. I would have shown you in her car, but she's crying right now. So yeah, it's very easy to carry like this. And trust me, you can carry her on your shoulders for like really long time, because your shoulder, you can carry bags and stuff on your shoulder easily. So this shoulder strap is great. Yeah. So yeah, because of this feature, this is like a very unique feature. We are very happy with it. I could have also used these things to carry her, but with shoulder strap, you can just carry her for a really long time. So yeah, I am very happy with it. Thank you.